Imagine you're swimming in the ocean and you suddenly see a dolphin carrying a huge shell in its mouth. At first, it might look like the dolphin is just playing with it, but then the dolphin lifts the shell out of the water, shakes it, and a fish falls straight into its mouth. This is not a game, the dolphin is hunting. And what makes this behavior even more interesting is that some dolphins actually learn this trick from other dolphins. This behavior is called shelling. And today we're gonna look at how it works, where it happens, and why scientists think it tells us something important about dolphin intelligence. Shelling has been observed in Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphins living around Shark Bay in Western Australia. These dolphins have many different ways of finding food. Some use special hunting techniques in shallow water. Some dolphins even use marine sponges while searching for fish, but shelling is different. The dolphin finds a large empty shell on the seafloor. Then somehow a fish ends up inside the shell. The dolphin picks up the shell and carries it toward the surface. And this is where the trick happens. Instead of eating the fish underwater, the dolphin tilts the shell above the surface. The water drains away and the fish slides out right into the dolphin's mouth. It's almost like the dolphin is using the shell as a bowl, except this bowl has dinner inside. This is one of the most interesting parts. Scientists still don't know what exactly happens every time. In some observations, it looks like dolphins chase fish into large shells. But researchers cannot always see the whole process. The shell can be underwater and the actual moment when the fish enters may happen very quickly. So we should be careful with the story. The dolphin is definitely using the shell to help catch or collect the fish, but we don't know if it always puts the fish into the shell itself. And that small detail is important because scientists are not just trying to find cool animal behaviors. They're trying to understand exactly how the behavior works. Shelling is not just about using an object, it's also about learning. Researchers studied dolphins in Shark Bay for more than 10 years. Between 2007 and 2018, they recorded thousands of dolphin group encounters. But they only saw 42 clear shelling events during that period. That tells us something important. Shelling is quite rare, and because the behavior can last only a few seconds, scientists may have missed many other events. But the researchers noticed something surprising. Dolphins that spent more time around other shelling dolphins were more likely to start shelling themselves. That means the behavior was spreading through the dolphin social network. In simple words, dolphins may be learning the trick from each other, not only from their mothers. Shark Bay dolphins are famous for having different ways to find food. For example, some dolphins use marine sponges. They place a sponge over their back and use it while searching the seafloor. This behavior, known as sponging, is very different from shelling. Sponging is mainly passed from mothers to their babies. Shelling appears to spread more through social relationships between dolphins. So, two dolphins can live in the same area, eat similar food, and still learn completely different hunting techniques. That's pretty remarkable. If dolphins can learn hunting techniques from each other, could this be a form of animal culture? Scientists use the word culture carefully, but shelling is interesting because dolphins seem to learn this behavior socially. So the next time you see a dolphin carrying a shell, remember, it might not just be carrying a shell. It could be using a clever hunting tool and a skill it learned from another dolphin. And perhaps the most amazing part is that one dolphin can discover a trick and another can learn it. So, how many other dolphin behaviors are being passed from one dolphin to another that we still haven't discovered?